sinking like stones, all that we fall for. Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done for. And we live in a beautiful world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful world. Bones sinking like stones, all that we fall for. Places we've grown, all of us are done for. And we live in a beautiful world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful to run from. 'Cause yeah, everybody here's got somebody to lean on.
Welcome to Algonquin College's Rainforest and Tropical Science General Elective course. The following is a short presentation which highlights some of the finer points of this hybrid course, which takes place online and also in Costa Rica. What exactly is this course? It's a general elective education course, falls under the science wing. It focuses on ecotourism and ecology and runs during the winter semester. It has an online delivery, which includes 8 days in Costa Rica. After a trip in Costa Rica, it includes a final project and presentation. What's included in the course? All course instruction, instructors and guides, travel to and from the airport in Toronto, all travel in Costa Rica, all the accommodation in Costa Rica, and all the meals. And then of course all the activities listed below. Why would you want to take this course? Well, it qualifies as a general education elective, which first-year students are required to take. It includes 8 days in Costa Rica, and it adds international experience and travel to your resume, and it's an ideal chance to make some international contacts. What's the cost of the course? The entire semester of the course and all the travel and materials is $2,500. We ask for a $1,000 deposit due in mid-November, and payment can be made by credit card or money order. The remaining balance of the $2,500 is due January 6th, 2014. And who's the course available to? It's open to all college students from all 3 campuses. That's Woodruff, Perth, and Pembroke campuses. Any member of the general public can also sign up to take this course. They are, however, required to register as a part-time student. We take the first 50 students that pay and register. When is the course running? It starts in the 2014 semester from January to April. The trip to Costa Rica is in mid-February from the 13th to the 20th. This is the 9th year that this general elective course is running. Some important dates to know. The start of the 2014 semester, the balance is due of $1,500. On January 10th, we will have a face-to-face course orientation. February 13th, we depart for Costa Rica, and on the 20th, we return from Costa Rica. Here's a map of Costa Rica. San Jose is the capital, located in the center with the red star. To the right is Cairo, the other red star. The duration of our 8 days takes place within those two areas. As we land in San Jose, we begin to move to the right, or to the east, where we spend the majority of our time on the Caribbean coast of the Atlantic Ocean. Here's a shot of a typical B&B that we would stay at. Among our first stops is Earth University. Earth University offers one program that is 4 years in length, and that program is Sustainable Agriculture. Students from all over the world are sponsored to arrive here and study here for the 4 years. We spend a day and a half at Earth University touring the grounds with third year and fourth year students. Rios Tropicalis is our in-house service provider while we are in Costa Rica. They are one of Costa Rica's primary adventure travel companies, specializing in whitewater. After Earth University, we make our way to the Pequode River, where we go rafting for 3 days.
Lazy river in the new day sun, linger a while in the shade of a tree. Throw away your troubles, dream with me. Up a lazy river where the robin song waits that morning. We stroll along, maybe blue skies up above. Everyone's in love. Up a lazy river, how happy we'll be. Up a lazy river with me. Up a lazy river by that old mill run. Oh, the lazy, hazy river in the new day sun. You can linger for a while in the shade of a tree.
We raft our way down the Pequode River. We raft into what is known as the Pequode Lodge, our Rainforest campus, for 2 nights. Rainforest campus is situated in the heart of thick rainforest on the shores of the Pequode River.
Happiness, more or less, it's just a change in me, something in my liberty. On my mind. Happiness coming and going. I watch you look up and watch my fever growing. I know just where I am. But how many corners do I have to turn? How many times do I have to learn? All the love I have is in my mind. But I'm a lucky man with fire in my hand.
Our 2 days at the Pequode Lodge include many different hikes, waterfall swimming, and tree planting and zip lining.
I'm steady naked, smiling, I feel no disgrace with who I am. Happiness coming and going. I watch you look up and watch my feet are growing. I know just who I am. And how many corners do I have to turn? How many times do I have to learn? All the love I have is in my mind. I hope you understand. I hope you understand.
After the zip lining, head into jungle tag with the next opportunity from wild close. On one of our last days, we had to beat a small little surfing community, mountain biking, the body surf, giant waves crashing. Another great opportunity to see some wildlife up close.
It's just a change of something in my liberty. It's just a change of something in my liberty.
Not to forget, of course, that we are in group settings. Lectures happen anytime throughout the day. We have the chance to meet some of the local business owners of various tourism operations, including Rafael Gallo, the owner of Rios Tropicalis. Miner Camacho, one of the leading snake researchers in Central America. We have a chance to visit his serpentarium and get up close and personal with some of the snakes from Costa Rica. This is Hammockville at the Pequate Lodge Rainforest campus. And on our last evening in San Jose, Rios Tropicalis treats us to a nice dinner out. The little free time that we do have always ends up with good old shenanigans. For more information, you can visit www.algonquincollege.com/rainforest. On this website, you will find some more pertinent information about the course and some frequently asked questions.